we're going to lots of places today. And it's gonna be so fun. And time check, 10:14 a.m.
Good morning, guys. July 13
Wait,
ngayon, Monday.
And today is our last day here.
Ito na yung last full day namin sa Winnipeg. Tomorrow, wala na kaming plans kasi flight natin is 10 in the morning.
Yeah,
So,
10 a.m. It's gonna be so fun.
airport.
I'm not scared of flights.
No, you're
and
not.
we're gonna see you in our later. Okay, goodbye. And even in our flight to Calgary. So, yeah.
Thank you kay Natutoy, Asi. Thank you talaga kasi in-accommodate nila kami dito. And pinakain pa kami, pinagluto pa kami. So, thank you talaga. Tapos, ngayon is papagupit si Kian dun sa dating gupitan. May Pilipina nang gugupit. Nakalimutan ko na sa ang area. Sergeant yata. Pero, dun ang lakad natin today. And then, bilhan namin ng candy na mami. At saka, bilhin ng mga tinapay pasalubong dun sa kaibigan ko sa Calgary. Kasi, may mga patentado na kasi kami na mga bilihan ng tinapay dito na masasarap talaga kasi nga mas madaming Pilipino dito sa Winnipeg. So, sobrang daming bakery talaga dito. As in, magkakabilaan yung mga bakery Pilipino.
What's bakery plus bakery? Akery? Bakery? Like akery?
So, ayun. So, ang weather natin today
Wait,
ay...
it is...
Wait lang.
The weather today is... The weather is 28 degrees. And it feels like it's 36.
So, yun. Kahapon is, yung max is feels like plus 49. Screenshot ko eh. Oo, hanggang sa kauwi namin ng around alas 12
heat.
ng gabi.
Ding, 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 ding,
Sobrang
ding,
init pa din,
ding, ding,
humid.
ding.
So, hopefully today is better. Papunta tayo ngayon sa north. Mamimiss namin yung ruta na to. Kinatutoy. Di namin talaga kabisado tong area dun sa kanila. Kasi tumira nga kami sa north. Ayan, naka-GPS tayo. Ang galing nun. What is that? Umiikot?
Vincent Van Gogh.
Ba't siya parang umiikot?
Nakalubog.
What? May ano dito? Car wash. Ayun na, buhay pa.
Coin off car wash.
Coin off. Lagi dito eh. Wall Street.
Papa car wash natin.
Oo, lagi. Taga dito pa kami sa Portage. Sayang nadaanan namin yung Tilehurst kanina. Yung dating apartment sa harap ng Polo Park at may cemetery doon. Mamaya, try namin yung video pa. Dito yung gupitan ni Kian. Nakalimutan ko pangalan.
Wala.
Hala, sarado na.
Wala.
Oo, parang tattoo.
Yeah, iba
Oh
na.
no. Hanap na lang ng iba.
Yay!
Nag-iba na.
Hala. Kami lang kasi nanggugupit. Nung una ako, nanggugupit kay Kian. Ngayon si Ivan na. So, papagupit sana namin siya. Hanap na lang ng iba. Doon pa ba si ano? Yung nagagawa ng buhok ko. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan. Doon banda pala yun. Filipino restaurant dito, Mangkok. Sarap ng tapsilog. Pero wala na rin kami time para
I
kumain
want
dito.
water.
Water? Oh,
Water.
1 second ha. Ito, mangkok.
Oh, wait.
You can reach it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Down, down. Look.
Feels like 38 na.
Yeah. It feels like 90 degrees.
Alas 11 ng umaga. Dito rin kami nagpapa-change oil before. Ano ba to? Mr. Lube? Super Lube.
Super good.
Super Lube. Dito kami sa A&M Bakery.
Bakery. I am the bakery. And it's so hot right now in this place.
Bili lang tayo ng pasalubong kay Jessa. Bilan din namin sinatutoy ng tinapay. Ito na. A&M Bakery.
Mommy.
Ito yung tinapay. Nasaan ba yung bilog? Hello? Yung bilog na ube. Ah, ito yata, Han. Ito. May ano ba? Bag, wala na. Ikaw na lang magdala.
Mommy.
Ito pa. Spanish bread. Bilan din natin sila.
I don't wanna.
Haircut. Ito, masarap yung tinapay dito. Ah, salamat. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Nalaman ko lang to, no? Lumipat ako sa Concordia. Nagdala yung kawork ko sa Concordia nung ensaymada na bilog. Ang sarap. Kaya, kahit dati ang lapit namin dito, hindi kami nabili. Pero, too late na nga nung nalaman namin. Sarap dito. Ayan. A&M Bakery dito sa McPhillips. Ayan. Ang daming food. Ah, sige. Separate na lang. Ah, may mani rin pala, oh. Turon, no? Sarap. Daming pagpipilian. Tsaka empanada. Yema roll. Ay, hopya. Ayun, na-share ko lang. Sarap dito. Ayun, oh, dami na biyabet. Pampasalubong lang halos sa akin na mami.
Hello, guys.
Hina kuya, hina tutoy, hina Jessa. One last look dito sa ruta namin, guys. Nakakamiss to. Ito lagi talaga yung daan namin. Gas nila 160.9.
Yeah. And the diesel is 183.
Yeah. Ayan. Ayun, no. Doon yung community natin doon. Miss natin to. See you again. Malay nyo, in a year or 2 years. Next stop, ito namang ukoy. Hindi pala sa Mama Nurse yung ukoy na binibili namin. Dito sa 456. Ano,
Oh, you gonna say
convenience.
hello, guys?
Sure.
Hi, guys. I've drank this much already in my drink.
Okay, bili tayo ng ukoy.
Me like okay.
Favorite.
Yay!
Ayun, no. Paborito, ukoy.
Look, Mom.
Ito, may siopaw din
And,
dito.
Yeah, there's lots of siopaw, and they even have a siopaw asado with egg.
With egg. Ito pa yung ibang pagkain. May turon na nga din daw. Kamote, tsaka banana Q.
And look, and this is squid.
Dried fish. Ayun, no. Luto na.
No, this is
Tuyo.
dried fish. Look, this is
Ano,
squid.
luto na ng mga dried fish. Luto na.
And Daddy.
Yay! So happy! Ayun na. Okay. $4 each dito.
Yay! Yay!
Tapos, suka. Buti ang daming binigay niyo, Oteng. Thank you.
Yeah! Thank you to the one who added so much vinegar and got to ukoy for us.
Ito guys, yung work
Hello,
ni na
guys.
Kuya and Tutoy.
Wala.
Ayan.
Hello,
Pasok pa yan.
guys.
Malaki.
Pero yung...
We're gonna say hello, guys.
Mhm.
Hi, guys. It's 4 minutes left driving.
Tito Nino.
to Tito Ninong's house.
Ako doon. Dito nag-work yung kapitbahay namin before. Ayun na, nagbe-break yung mga employees dyan. Business center dito eh. Cinepoint Park. Gusto lang namin makita.
Hello guys! We're now in a Cinepoint Park. And we're gonna have so much fun in the park.
Hindi anak, ayun the leaf. Na-build to nung paalis na kami. So, hindi kami pa nakapunta dyan. Wala na ring time.
I still remember that, Mommy. I still remember that.
Hindi na kami makakapunta. Wala nang time. Uuwian na bukas. Yan.
Mommy,
Napakita man lang.
Mommy, do you remember when we went here?
Yeah. Me too.
You're still a little boy.
Oh, we eat there.
And then, toboganing dito.
Okay.
Pero mostly sa Kildonan Park, toboganing.
This is our last day in Winnipeg, and then we're going back to Calgary. Yeah,
Tomorrow morning.
yeah.
What time is our flight?
Daanan din namin yung dati naming work kung saan kami nag-meet ni Ivan sa same unit sa Riverview Health Center.
I think
Sa kabila is zoo.
the time
Oh,
will jump
construction.
back 1 hour behind.
Alam na, construction season. Dalawa lang ang season eh. Construction and winter. May event siguro. Ayun, may mga tents.
Yung mga event na mo. No, event na yun. Kaya ko rin diretso. So, sa English something.
May zoo, Assiniboine Zoo. May polar bear dito, guys. Kung gusto nyo makakita ng polar bear sa Assiniboine Zoo. Ito na yung pavilion.
Pavilion, no?
Yep. Wait, can I tell something? This is the pavilion.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I still remember when we went inside, remember?
Okay.
And dito sa likod, ginaganap yung movies at the park. Ayan, sa likod niyan. Malawak din yan. Mainit pa din. Plus 32. Feels like 43.
It's like 43 pa rin.
Oo.
It feels like wait, yeah. The real weather is 32 and the fake weather, which is the feels like, is 43. Isn't it so hot in Winnipeg? I say it's the Guinness World Record for being the hottest
Province.
province.
Yeah, that's right.
I guess this is the hottest province in summer. I guess this is the hottest province in summer.
Summer.
Yes.
Hottest summer ever.
Ngayon lang daw uminit dito ng ganito eh.
That's why everybody.
Sobrang lamig din.
It's so hot here, so they took off their clothes. So kanta yun na.
Asa na?
Wala na.
Look, here, no?
Yeah.
Nice fountain.
Mommy, wow! Fountain!
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a fountain, right?
Do not enter nga, Han. Yeah.
Higo na lang.
Wait, what?
Okay din dyan. Maraming halaman.
Yan. English Garden.
Yeah.
Maganda sa loob. Bulaklak.
Wait. This is English Garden. And the hours of English Garden are from 9 a.m. to dusk.
Yeah. But English garden, you must speak English. Okay?
Okay.
Leo Mall sculpture.
Daddy,
Oh yeah, limos. Oh, may mga sculptures sa loob. Yes, anak.
you might.
Ano? Oh, ikutan ko yung ano.
Sa Tilehurst.
Tilehurst.
Yeah. Nakita lang namin yung apartment na tinirahan ko. Bachelor lang.
Hindi naman may pumunta doon. Layo pa siya.
I went there yesterday.
Magkano lang yung bachelor dati. Yes, it is.
Ikutan ko lang daw.
Ito yung cementerio eh. Ayan. And then, buhay pa siguro yung apartment
Mommy,
na
look.
to.
Is this a cemetery?
It is na. Itong isa
There
na
are
to.
so much.
This one. Ayun. Ito yung apartment ko before. Oh, yung kabila pa. Yung kabila
kabila
pa.
pa.
Oo. Sorry guys. Hindi pala to. 3 building pala to. Itong last
Mommy.
building. Ayun. Wow. Ayun oh. Ito yun. 516. Tama. Sussex Realty pa rin.
Sussex pa rin.
Kalimutan ko na. Pero
We're not
second
going
floor.
there. Don't move, don't move.
Ayun oh. Those were the
Dito lang kami
days.
nasi kayo dati, yung una-una.
This is our cemetery.
And then, katapat, Polo Park. Sobrang lapit lang. Ito yung legislative building. Ayun si Golden Boy sa taas.
Yup. Mommy, wait.
Golden Boy.
Something. Look. That's a golden boy, a golden walking boy. We never seen a golden boy before. There was a golden boy who was living, and he painted himself gold.
Is that a real gold or no?
Yes, he was real gold one time.
Totoo mga bang gold yan?
Oo,
Kaya
ayun,
tawag na
baka-
Golden Boy or ano
Oh,
lang,
yeah,
sabi-sabi
yeah.
lang.
Uh,
Ito yung ruta namin before ni Ivan pasok sa trabaho. Riverview Health Center. Napakaganda tsaka napakalinis na long-term care facility.
Even 7-Eleven turned into flashlight. Wait, can I tell something? Mommy, the thing that said was not a term care facility, and it was actually a long-term care facility.
it's the confusion corner.
Oh yeah, may confusion corner nga pala dito. Daming kainan dito. Bake Expectation. Ayun, Bake Expectation.
Yeah, wait. There was actually a bakery of expectation. Bakery expectation. Like expecto the.
Oh, Lord. Okay, let's see.
Punta tayo dun sa, Riverview. Papasukan natin, Nahan. Nahan, papasukan natin yung Riverview.
So, na.
Ito, Osborne.
Carter, really?
Brandon.
Babait yung mga kawork namin doon. Nahan ko. Doon kami nag-meet ni Jessa din. Doon namin na-meet si Jessa na nasa Calgary na din. Yung ice cream nandyan pa rin. Paano ba i-pronounce yan? Sheban? Keban? Sheban? Winnipeg Transit. May office pala dyan.
Ito pala yung...
Ito yung office ng Winnipeg Transit. Sa Osborne pala. Dito ba tayo magle-left? Brandon Avenue. Naalala mo pa, no?
Hindi nakamaps ako.
Nakamax. Ang likod nitong Riverview Health Center is yung Red River. Ang ganda dito eh. Sobrang peaceful. Di ba 4-way stop to? 3-way stop. Naalala ko na nahuli si ate mo rin dito. Hindi siya nag-full stop.
Wait. This is a 3-way stop. And in backwards, it's called a stopway 3.
School pala to. High school.
Talk.
Ayun,
Talk.
River.
Whoa! This looks like Big Bear Lake.
Ito na.
One more.
Malaki to eh.
Yay! Look.
Yung address niya?
We're now in Building Way. Park West Projects in the.
Hindi, Riverview. Uy, ito. Riverview Health Center.
Yay!
Where
We're
mommy
now
and
in
daddy-
Cookie Eyes. We're now in Cookie
Ayan,
Eyes.
malaki yan.
Yan, dito kami nag-meet ni Ivan sa unit. This is where mommy and daddy met. It's a nursing home, long-term care facility. May ano pala. Yaan mo na, okay lang.
Bawal pumasok.
Public parking. Pero,
Dito.
ayun pala.
Stop parking mali. Stop parking.
I see. Are you sure?
Yeah, it's right.
Parang sigurado. Ano?
Hindi sigurado.
Ayan.
May bus stop yan sa harap. Dito, dinadrop ako dati ni Ivan nung wala pa si Kian. Pag nights ako. Hatid sundo. Pero ngayon di na. Kanya-kanya na.
Long time ago.
Kanya-kanyang punta na sa work. Nagde-drive.
I was still not born that time.
Maganda to, tambayan
pagkakain,
break
doon
sa sunroom.
Yeah.
Ayun. Nakakatawa.
Spider-Man.
This is
Wala naman sa likod. Ito guys, yung sikat na ice
We're
cream,
gonna find some we
BBI.
love ice cream. I
Bridge
love
Drive
ice
in.
cream. Fountain Tire.
Fountain Tire.
Did you see it?
No.
I saw it, but letter F is gone.
Is it?
Yep. Mommy, did you see new golden in
Ito yung kinakainan namin before na ramen. Para sa amin, ito yung pinakamasarap before Choichi sa Winnipeg. Pero ngayon, go-to namin is Shinjo all the way.
Did you see new golden in restaurant? It has a song. Look,
Ito guys, yung masarap na
Lanzu.
Lanzu noodles. Go Lanzu. And super affordable.
Wait.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Mommy. Hello. We're in Golan Zoo. Noodles. I hope it's so good.
You haven't tried it. Ito order natin. Soup. Chow mein.
May dadating pa.
Dandan noodles. At saka soup. Ang laki nito. Ito yung kamay ko Ayan siya kalaki. Large. Super laki niyan. Kainan na. Ang init dito sa loob. Feels like plus 44. Pakita ko sa inyo yung weather. Eto guys, wait lang, wait na wala. Eto. Feels like 32 degrees and time is 2:38 ng hapon. Right,
Yep, and
Kian?
it's 44. Feels like 44.
Kainan na.
Is this mine?
Just for mom.
Oh, look.
Sobrang init guys. Kain na muna kami. Galing kami kina kuya. And then mamaya balik na kina tutoy. Dito tayo sa may bandang U of Manitoba. Dito siya sa loob. Doon sa loob dyan. Uwi na tayo. Doon kina tutoy.
Mainit pa. Ay, tama.
Hindi na.
Baba na
Mami. Oh, ikaw.
Foodie.
Foodie. Tutoy, Asi. Thank you. Asi, salamat. Thank you so much. Kuya. Kuya. Ayla. Iuuwi na namin si Aylo. Dadalhin na si Aylo. Si Daddy. Mga kuya. Yan na si Ailo. Masarap? Ayos ah.
Ito sweet sour.
Hindi kami sure kaya lang. Sabi niya Ivan, malayo nga sa Jade, 30 minutes. Pero masarap sana dun eh. 30 minutes na. Masarap pala, ha? Sayang. Initializing. Yan yung ulo. Yay! Good job! Finally, plus 39 na lang yung feels like. Dito kami sa likod niya.
So,
Tutoy.
yes.
Sa araw kasi
And
siguro.
it's gonna be, isn't it really nice?
Isn't nice outside?
It's so nice outside today. And time check is, wait, 8:16 p.m.
Plus 34 na lang. Kumuha kami ng food sa Lucky Duck Chinese.
Lucky Duck Chinese.
Mainit pa kanina, pero ngayon okay.
Some of you may have went here to see Lucky Duck's restaurant. Some of you may have not went here to see Lucky Duck's restaurant.
good.
You still may have not known Lucky Duck's restaurant because you haven't went to Lucky Duck's, or you haven't. Maybe you should go to Winnipeg. And what address is Lucky Duck's
I'm not
restaurant?
sure.
Park
ano.
West.
Park West.
It's in Park West. So you should go to Lucky Duck's restaurant. It's so good. So yeah, it's so. Wait.
Let's
Oh, wait,
stay
I've got one more thing
dito
to do.
sa Winnipeg.
And on our next vlogs, you should comment because so that we will be subscribers.
They're dancing too. You should dance too. All of them are dancing.
Last day sa
Ayan,
Winnipeg.
Bird.
Bukas, uwi na.
Oh, masok sa garay. Oi! Not there. Go back.
Oi, 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 oi.
Oh, play with ano? Play kami tayo.
Dancing.
Ayan.
Ito ba yun?
Ailo.
Hello.
Say hi, Ailo.
Say hi.
Talino eh. Very smart.
Smart too.
Smart
Oh.
kid. Hi. Oo nga po.
Hinahanap. What are you playing, Ailo?
Arrow.
What are you playing?
No, time check it's
Wait. And the time check is baby crying at night.
eh, Kian. Dito na si Adrian. Last just na. Galing siya sa work. Malis na rin si Tutoy. May work siya ngayon.
Okay, no.
Ayun, kain muna si Tito Adrian. Ayun, no? Alis na. Daddy! Tito Adrian and Mommy. Nahiya si Adrian.
The world is your oyster.
Hug mo niya, hug, Kian. Hug everybody. Thank you. Next year. I love. Bango. High five. Hi, kuya. Hug. Adrian. Hug Hug mo na sila.
Next.
Sige na.
The world is my oyster.
Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
See you next week. See you again next week, Ate.
See you again next week, Mommy.
See you again next week.
Next week.
Hug mo na sila, Kian. Next week.
Mommy, see you next week.
Hi.
The world is
Thank you. Next year, sana. Next year.
Yeah, sana. Kaya, next year.
You get colored
So, bye, Lola.
Ingat
Bye, Lola.
po.
Lola.
Thank you po. Ingat po.
Love you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Ingat kayo.
Oo nga, madilim pa man.
Madilim.
Look, someone's gonna sleep.
Hmm?
Look at that.
Oo
Someone's
nga, may
gonna sleep.
sumilip.
Hi.
Don't shout na. Don't shout.
Never open your
Bye
window
mo
again.
daw. Bye-bye mo.
Hi.
Don't be too loud.
Don't be too loud.
You're waking people up.
Not too loud na. Okay na. Not too loud na.
Let's go.
Wait lang. We're gonna wait till they leave.
Hey, bye.
Yeah.
Don't open your curtains
Kian,
again.
no. Itong batang to.
Why did you?
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Tita.
Why did you seek at our friends?
Ay, mamaya. Bye-bye.
Why did you seek at our friends?
Bye-bye.
Ouch! Why did you seek at our friends?
Now, see na Tito Adrian. Go, we're gonna buy Tito Adrian and Lola.
Bye.
Oh, we're gonna say bye, Tina. We're gonna say bye.
Ayan si Tito Adrian.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ayan, you're knocking the ano.
Love you. Bye. Oh, galing pala mag-live si Tito Adrian, eh.
Good morning, guys.
Hello, guys. Wait, can I say hello? Hello, guys.
Oops, sorry. It got crazy.
What?
Nangyari?
Hi, guys.
Wait.
Hi, guys. We're going to the airport today, and our flight boards at 10:10 a.m.
Ito na. Bye, house.
Bye.
Thank you, Tutoy and Asi. Thank you, Tito Tutoy, Tita Asi,
Thank you.
for
Thank
your
you to
stay.
for our stay.
Thank you to what?
What?
Thank you to all of our stay.
Thank you to our stay. And our flight number is WestJet 225.
Yeah. Good morning. Hindi na ako naka-end nung vlog kahapon. At pagod na kami. Tsaka mag-empake pa. So, ito yung flight day natin. Babalik na sa Calgary.
Oh no, mommy. The DJI Mimo will hear you taking sneeze. And
There's the plane, Kian. Up in the sky there.
oh yeah, it's landing here.
That one is landing. Ang aga ng flight na yun, no? 7:16 nag-land na. Isauli muna pala natin yung rental car.
And can I say something?
I'll just vlog this. No,
Okay.
I'll give it to you. 1 second. Yes, sir.
Hello, ayun guys. So that's we don't. We're gonna U-turn. We're going
Return the rental.
and what?
Return the rental car.
Return the rental car. It would be so fun on the plane. The total time is 2 hours.
Return lang namin yung rental car. Ngayon lang gumanda yung panahon. Kagabi pala kasi after namin kumain ng dinner, nakalabas na kami.
Yes.
Ngayon
How
lang
was the gas
nag-mild.
so much?
19 degrees.
How was the
Hindi
gas
ko
so
lang
much?
sure yung feels like.
Look.
How much is it?
Tapos ihahatid kami ni Natutoy
566
from
kilometers.
Budget to the airport.
Remember
Mas
yung
mahal
gas?
kasi
That's
yung
what
renta kung from the airport ang pick up. Kaya ginawa namin na lang na dito. Nag-Uber kami nung nakadating dito. Pero ngayon hahatid kami ni na Tutoy. Dito na sa Budget. Waverly.
Wait, and then after, Mommy gonna tell something.
Yes, I'm just gonna show here. Okay, you can talk even if it's not with you.
But
Oh, because we're gonna go down and go to Tito.
after we return our rental car,
Yeah.
we're gonna go directly to the airport.
Walang
We're now going to the airport.
Dito kami sa kotse.
Pero ngayon, nagkaroon na ng ganun. Malapit na yung mga...
Si Tutoy, si Asi,
Tapos,
si Hara.
biglang nagpasok din.
Hindi na kami nakapunta ng outlet. Wala masyadong bago dyan.
Say other
Wala pang dito tayo. Sa St. Vital, hindi kayo madalas mall.
Doon kami mostly.
Mas okay dun eh, mas chill ko.
Wala masyadong tao pa.
Gawa ng potato corner.
What? Okay.
Katawa ng mga tao. At hindi manakit, hindi mang hiya, hindi mang down.
Ito yung North Face. Wala na.
Wala. Sarado na.
Pagpatawa ng tao.
Sarado na
Dapat
yung
consider. Nakakatawa ba? Hindi kayo magsasabi.
Dito na pagawa yung sasakyan ko. Nung na-dent. Ito.
Plano po kami.
Nandito.
Pero
Yeah.
Diba nung na-dent sa HS, ay na rear end
Yeah.
sa HS.
A mean car.
I mean
I
car.
said punch that car.
Pwede maglaruan, di pwede ang sabi, sobrang
Venus pa pwede natin i-akami ni
si Bill, si Bill.
Sa likod niyo po talaga.
Pakialalayan na lang si
There.
Maraming salamat. Thank you rin. Teka, sila hindi nyo binigyan ng chance sa magtanong.
You're brave, right?
Basta na po.
Look,
Okay lang ba?
look, we have, look, you know what airlines that is? Look.
Dito na kami sa
Look.
airport.
We're now in one of my favorite.
Salamat, Asi. See you again. Thank you so much. Selfie tayo. Thank you, Tutoy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mag-selfie tayo. Next year ulit. Thank you.
Lucky yan.
Thank you. Ito, Han ko. Selfie tayo. Talaga. Ito. Thank you again, Tutoy. Asi, salamat. Kina Kuya, Iris, Adrian, Mami, Daddy, thank you. Happy kami na nakabalik talaga kami. After 2 years, ang dami na kasi nangyari sa Calgary. Parang para sa amin yung 2 years. Sobrang daming life changes. May statue dun, no? Ah, sige lang. Oo. Pero hindi pala tayo dito, no? Dun sa kabila.
It always reminds all. It always.
Okay, nilagay lang namin yung car seats sa luggage. Anong oras na ba?
Can I take the time check? Hello guys, the time
Ayun yung
check.
time, anak ko.
Yeah.
8:20.
Yeah.
Ayun yung in the clock there.
The time 8:20. Where was the clock?
In that international flight.
Oh yeah. Hello guys, it's 8:20 o'clock already. That's the time check.
Hindi na pagupitan to. Ayun yung balak eh. Ayaw. Ayaw magpagupit. Gusto sa daddy lang. Ayan, dito tayo sa domestic flight. 10, no? Bilan na lang namin siya ng food pagkapasok sa loob. May isa kaming check-in bag. Then tig-isa-isa kaming backpack na dala. Boom. Tara.
See you in Calgary.
See you in Calgary bag. Ano nga ba ito dati? Stella's ba? Hindi, di ba? Tignan mo, may ganito na. 3T1. Ito.
Hi guys. We're gonna go to a plane.
Stella's na yun eh. Ito na ang... Ay. Pasok na kami. Yan na lang. Domestic to tsaka international eh. So, bye guys! Ayun, kakalagpas lang natin sa security.
And now, we're done security. We're going to our gate.
Ano pala, pinadaan kami dun sa old school. Ilalabas pa rin yung mga electronics. Ibabag pa rin yung liquids. Pero meron na rin sila nung parang sa Calgary na hindi na kailangan ilabas. Yeah.
Look at that flare airline.
Hindi na kailangan ilabas yung gadgets and liquid. As in, keep them in the bag. Ganun sa Calgary lahat na eh. Yung x-ray machine. Kala ko wala pa dito. Sabi ni Iban, pang US ba yun? But I don't know. Doon kami dinala sa old school. Dito pala madaming tao. Hindi sa check-in. Sa mga gates, madaming tao. Ito han, yung board.
Let's hit 225.
Wait, can I see where the
Saan tayo?
225 is?
Oo.
Where's 225? Oh yeah, up there. 4.
Hinahanap
Hello
ko
guys.
yung January.
And
Ito pala.
we now know our gate. It's gate 4.
Ito ang January. Pangpasalubong. Dito pala siya sa loob. Hinahanap ko eh. Gate 4 kami pero pakainin muna namin si Bulilit. Di siya kumain kinatutoy kasi oras na. May booster juice na rin pala dito sa loob. Then yung Tim Hortons is sa dulo. Ito, medyo walang tao dito sa side ng Winnipeg Airport. Pero doon congested dun sa gitna. Bili na lang kami ng booster juice. Ayaw daw ng Tim Hortons ni Kian.
I've got very berries. And mommy's got strawberry sunshine.
Zone 9 ulit tayo. Zone 9.
Same. Baka hindi ulit punuhan ah.
Can
Yung
someone
flight.
hold Daddy? Daddy has a baby. Look.
I mean, it's a baby.
Daddy is 4 na, di ba? Ito?
Yep.
Dito pa.
Ah, dun pa. Ah, oo nga no. Kala ko dito na. Eh, sabi ko tayo na.
9 a.m. 40 minutes.
We were in that gate. We were in gate 5.
May I have your attention,
And we
please?
came
For
back.
Airlines Flight 422, Surgeon Toronto is paging the following passengers for document verification. Currently paging Pamela Lane,
Ito yung lounge nila dito.
Light, Leanna McDonald, Shelly Heber, and Tessa Lodhani. Hear your name or something similar, please wait.
Nalimot ko, may Starbucks pala dito. Doon na lang kami. Upo muna. 1 more hour. O dito. Ah, sige, dyan na lang. Dyan na lang. Chill muna. Ay, chill muna. Cute nito, oh, ang liit. Para sa Christmas tree yata to. Tama ba? Kasi may ano. Manitoba. Ayun na yung plane namin. Nandito na kami sa gate number 4. Ayun.
I am scared.
You're not scared. You're brave.
Here, there's someone. Hi, guys.
Boarding na. Baka an hour and a half ulit yung flight.
Zone 9 may proceed to the Zone 9 40.
Ayun goodbye Winnipeg. See you next time.
Hi guys, our plane is now starting their descent. 38 minutes. Oh no, the battery sinks.
I know.
Ayant besoin d'aide pour débarquer de l'avion sont priés de rester assis jusqu'à ce que tous les autres invités soient débarqués. Nous serons alors en
And then you
mesure de
vlog
mieux
too.
vous aider. Si vous avez des questions sur les vols de correspondance
guys.
ou les bagages, veuillez
Hi
parler à
guys,
un agent de
we landed
WestJet à
at
l'intérieur de l'aérogare.
Calgary
Une fois
International
que le
Airport.
voyant
We're
pour les
now
ceintures
back
de
to our
sécurité est détenu,
home.
rassemblez vos
Now you
articles
vlog,
personnels et
and
préparez-vous à
the weather
débarquer
is
rapidement.
20 degrees Celsius, and there's gonna be a chance of 31 degrees on Saturday.
Dito na rin kami guys.
Yup.
May forecast na ambon din mamaya. I-end ko na rin yung vlog namin. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.